because it's supposed to be a blizzard tonight. Ooh.
He is slowly preparing for the snowstorm.
Well, the fire's barely going and it's heating up quite nicely in here, making my pants steam. That's why everyone calls me Hot Pants. There we go. Flatbread and sausage gravy. That is some good stuff right there.
Slowly walking to his car, he was caught in a snowstorm. But luckily, he was close to his car.
I'm almost to the car. Hopefully I can get it out of the snowdrift. Oh, that's not too buried. I can get that out. Oh.